Hey Glam Squad, it's me, Jamie, the owner and CEO of Glam Event Rental, back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a flower wall. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I already have mine started, but I just wanted to show you guys how they come in these rectangular panels and you have to link them together. So I'm going to do a close-up and show you guys how I like to secure mine. So each of the panels comes with a loop on one side and the other side has this little stem, and then you're just going to take the stem and link it into the loop, and that's how you secure it. But sometimes when you're moving them around, they tend to come apart, so I'm going to actually go back in with a 4-inch zip tie and connect it together so it doesn't come apart. So I make sure that I have one at the bottom, in the middle, and at the top of each of the panels so they're super secure. So at this point, I'm done putting it together and everything is zip tied. I did 5 panels going across and 4 panels going down. That's going to make my flower wall about 8 feet tall and 5 feet wide. Now we're going to set up the base, and you want to make sure that this knob here is facing the back. Put the pole in and make sure these are also facing the back. And then we're going to secure it. And now we're going to line it up with the flower wall, but you want to make sure that there's a little bit of space on the sides because we're going to be wrapping the sides of the flower wall around the pole. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to take some 8-inch zip ties and secure the hanging bar to the flower wall. So make sure the top is the side that you're on, and that's the side with the stems. It does not have any loops. You can see that this is the smooth edge. As you can see, I'm not bringing the bar right up to the top of the flower wall. I'm working about 3 or 4 inches down from the top, and that's so that you can't see the bar when you hang it. I usually like to do about 3 zip ties on each panel to make sure that it's not too much stress on one panel, because it does kind of get heavy when it gets taller. And also, I'm not putting the zip ties on tight because I'll show you at the end of the video, but when you take it down, then you can just slide the hanging bar out of the zip ties without having to cut them. that will actually prevent you from like scratching the paint off of your hanging bar. So basically what I was doing was trying to make sure that I had some extra space left over so that I can bring it around and wrap it around the pole. And I was adjusting the center pole. It has an adjustment piece here and another adjustment section here. And just making sure that I have enough room on both sides to wrap it around. Okay, so now that we have our bar hooked on here, we're going to raise it up. This is the part where if you have two people, it's helpful. So now we're gonna take some more 8-inch zip ties and we're just gonna take the sides and wrap them around the pole. Not all the way around the pole because you don't wanna have too much tension on this plastic because it will snap. So you just wanna take the zip tie and loop it there on the side and then connect it to part of the grid that's on the front. And I'll get a close-up so you can see what I'm talking about. And then pull it, but you don't want to pull it tight. You just need to have the illusion from the front side that it's wrapping around. So here's the close-up. I'm just taking the 8-inch zip tie and threading it through the front part of the grid and then threading it through the side of the grid and then pulling it but making sure it's loose. So now we have the wall up and that's pretty much it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out my Facebook page, Glam Event Rentals, and let me know if there's any other videos that you guys want to see. Thank you.